Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to create an account on TikTok. If you want to create an account on TikTok, you first need to install it. So if you're on an iOS device, you want to go to the App Store. Similarly, for Android, you have to head over to Play Store. On the search bar, type in TikTok and install the app. After you're done completely installing the application, click on the open button, and this is where the interface will take you. So here you'll be able to see different options to sign up. That is, you could go with a phone number or maybe an email, or continue with Facebook, or go with Google itself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and maybe use my email address for now. So what I'm gonna do is type in my email address first thing first and click on the continue button. As you're done entering the information, you will then be asked to create a password. Alright, then you go ahead and make sure to create a password. Make sure to go through the criteria underneath as well and tap the continue button. For the age verification, you simply go ahead and type in your date of birth and click on the continue button. As you've done it, so you will then be taken to the next field where you have to create a nickname. So nickname is basically a username. You go ahead and type in. You could see if the username is available. You could click on the continue button and you've successfully created your profile. Now all you have to do is you go ahead and make sure to create a profile, that is, add in a photo, maybe upload a TikTok video, whatever that you want to do, add people or follow some user, and this is how you will be able to create your TikTok account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.